guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing this beautiful look inspired by Makeup by Alinna on Instagram. I love all her looks. I wish she did YouTube tutorials on them, but she doesn't. But then there's other YouTubers who recreate a lot of her work, which is amazing. And one of them I actually didn't do a YouTube video of her, but I did another look of her before, which came out really beautiful. It's on my Instagram. So she did this look instead of the brown, where I have the brown, she had the rainbow colors, and I did that, but I just did it for fun. I didn't record it. So when I posted that picture on my Instagram and Snap, everyone was like, oh my god, we love this look, can you please do a video? So here I am making a video, but instead of doing the rainbow, I did the brown, so it's more wearable. Oh yeah, this is my take on the look, and if you guys want to know. Okay, so I did this eye off camera, and I'm going to show you guys how to get the same look on my right eye. So first I'm priming my lids using my MAC Soft Ochre. So I'm just going to apply this all over the lid. And for this look, I'm going to be using Morphe's 35F palette. I love this palette because it has all these beautiful shimmery and all the MAC eyeshadows you need to get like any nice natural or glam look with this palette. I'm going to take the lightest shade from this palette and apply it all over my lid just to set the eye primer. And next, with my blending brush, I'm going to pick up this nice transition shade, nice light brown, and I'm just applying this onto my crease, actually above my crease. And then I'm just dragging it out on the outer corner. You can very lightly hold your skin if you need to. And I'm bringing it all the way into my inner corners. Now with a small blending brush, I'm going to pick up the darker brown shade. And I'm going to apply this right onto my crease. Little on the outer corner, just make a little V and then blend this out. With a bigger blending brush, I'm blending out the outer corner. And with a small pencil brush like this, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of the black shade. The small pencil brush, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of the black eyeshadow. I'm just applying this like that, a V, and then going very lightly onto my crease. And I'm just blending this in place. I'm not moving it around too much. I'm just gonna pick up a little of the brown and blend this out with it. Take some of that brown and drag it up here. And with a bigger blending brush, blend everything out. With a clean brush, I'm just gonna blend everything out. So I picked up the black eyeshadow with this. So I'm gonna look straight ahead and I'm gonna try to carve out my crease. So this is what I'm gonna try to do. So I'm gonna look straight and I'm gonna apply this above my crease. Now I'm gonna start from the outer corner of my eye and I'm just gonna go up. And then I'm gonna try to bring this line and attach them at the end, like that. But this is how it looks. It's easier to do it with the powder eyeshadow first, because once you do it with the eyeliner, it's hard to fix. So you have the outline, then you can just go ahead with your eyeliner. I'm gonna use my Too Faced eyeliner. I love the name for this. It's called the Sketch Marker. You're So Too Faced. So I'm just gonna use this eyeliner to outline. I'm also gonna bring it in like this on the inner corner.
So just drag it right here.
So this is how it's gonna look. Sorry, my camera wasn't filming for some reason, so what I did was I picked up this little flat brush and I picked up the black eyeshadow with this, and I basically just applied it on the outer corner right here. To make sure you don't bring it down here, you just go from the outer corner and up like that, and you just blend it along the eyeliner. Now I'm gonna pick up a little bit of the dark brown. So I'm gonna blend out the black with this brown. Also up here. And then in the inner corner. Okay, so for glitters, first I'm gonna use these two glitter. This is from Stila and this is from Covergirl. And the one from Stila is called Douce, and the one from Covergirl is in number 5. It doesn't have a name, it just has a 5, if you can say that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first pick up the one from Stila, and with this I'm just gonna apply it on these two corners, the outer corner and the inner corner. You don't have to be perfect with this, we're gonna fix it later. And then this one, the goldish one, we're gonna apply in the middle. This is just gonna peek through from under the glitter that we can apply. So for glitter, I have, oh god, I hate working with loose glitter. I have this little, let me not drop it. I have this little glitter that I got online. You can literally use any glitter you want. So I'm gonna use that. And you don't need to use any glitter glue, but I want to so it doesn't get everywhere. But you don't really have to, because you can literally just apply the loose glitter onto this. It's just gonna stick onto it. I'm just using a little glitter glue that I got from Sephora. It's the Sephora brand, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that in the middle section, and then I'm gonna pick up my glitter and just press it onto that. So basically you're doing a cut crease inside a cut crease. So just do another little, if you can see, a little cut crease right here. That's what I'm gonna do. So with the same little flat brush, I picked up some of the shimmery brown, dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna go around the glitter with this, so there's no harshness around the glitter. Now I'm taking this rusty gold and I'm just gonna apply it almost on the glitter. Do you see that? I'm applying it on the glitter and mixing it with the black eyeshadow we applied. Do you see how it gives it like a nice transition? So I'm just taking some tape and then I'm gonna use this to get the glitter off my face. And be gentle with this, you don't want to pull on your skin too much. With a brush like this, I just picked up the dark brown shade. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this close to my lash line. And with a pencil brush, I picked up the lighter brown. And I'm just gonna smoke this out. With a small blending brush, I'm just gonna blend it out here. Wiped off my face with some wet wipe. Now I'm gonna apply my primer. I'm just gonna use my e.l.f.'s primer. And I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. For foundation, I'm gonna use Juvia's Place foundation. I have two of them, and one is too dark, one is too light. 540, the other one is 550. One is too dark, one is too light. Gotta mix them up and get my shade. So I have it on my hand like that. This is all you need. It's probably more than I need right now. So I'm just gonna mix it on my hand with the back of my brush. And obviously I won't do this for a client, but I'm just doing it for myself. So it's my hand, my face. So with my beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend this out. Do you see how beautiful that shade is when you mix them together? And then bring whatever you have left onto your neck. For concealer, I'm also going to be using Juvia's Place. It's the number 22. So just apply this. So when you apply, if your concealer is too light for your skin, it's fine, because you know what you can do is, that's what I do and it works perfect. You can use like a banana powder, because a banana powder, if I use it on a regular concealer that matches my skin, it looks so yellow. But if I use it with like a very light concealer under and then the banana powder over it, it just neutralizes it so nicely. So that's what I usually do. So try that out, maybe it works for you, because I cannot do a banana powder with my regular concealers, but with a light concealer like this I can. So with this little brush, I'm gonna go close to the eyeshadow and just blend it out, because it's hard to get in the small little creases with my beauty blender. So for setting powder, I'm gonna be using Fenty's banana powder. Like this banana powder I cannot use on my regular concealers. I have to use it with like very light concealers, because if I do it on my natural concealers that look like my skin, it just looks very yellowish. But if I have a light concealer and I put this on, it just looks beautiful and flawless. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna just apply this under my eyes. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows and contour off camera, and I'll be right back. Powder. So I did my contour and eyebrows off camera, and I'm gonna just wipe off all the excess powder that's still sitting on my face. You guys, I'm such an awkward person. I wish I was like one of those YouTubers who come and they have a topic that they can like talk about as they're doing their makeup. I just never know what to talk about. But if you guys have any suggestions, I would love to take it and we can have a little chat as I'm doing my makeup. And I bake my... And for blush, I'm going to be using my Rose Dior from Milani Cosmetics. I love this big blush. They have amazing big blushes, you guys, and they're so incredibly cheap. They're like, what, $6-7? And for highlight, I'm going to be using this beautiful highlight. It looks like this. Number 7, it's called Shimmer Palette and Caramel. Just swirl my little brush. Oh, it has some fall. So I'm just applying this onto my cheekbones. A little on the forehead, on the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, and I like to do my cupid's bow and chin. And a small detail brush, I'm just applying it onto my brow bone. Just gives it a nice highlight. Before I forget, I'm gonna take my eyeliner and I'm just gonna draw a straight line right here. It's like that, nothing crazy, just a very thin line. And now for lips, I'm gonna use Bombshell from Huda Beauty and Love from Milani Cosmetics. So first I'm gonna take the Love from Milani and I'm gonna outline my lips using this. And I don't want to have my cupid's bow. I don't like it. It's so deep. I like to have like a straight line. I'm just gonna overline right there. Just like that. And then follow your natural lip. I just like to do this. You can skip this step, but I like to do this because it gives my lips a little more dimension. So now I'm gonna go over it with Bombshell from Huda. And for lashes, I'm gonna be using Lily Lashes in Houston. And I'm gonna apply this off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I have my lashes on and this is the final look. And also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. It's both at Makeup by Roya. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.